Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by powering off and unplugging the Dell, and remove the battery if you can. This prevents short circuits. Next, use a plastic spudger or thin card to gently lift the spacebar keycap from one edge. Slow, even pressure prevents breaking clips. Once the cap is off, set aside the keycap and look for the U-shaped retainer and rubber dome. These small parts control travel and spring. Make sure to photograph orientation now so you reassemble correctly later. Once done removing the cap, inspect the retainer clips and plastic stabilizer bar for damage. Cracks or warped pieces cause uneven travel. Carefully blow out debris with compressed air and use a cotton swab dampened with 70% plus isopropyl to clean sticky residue. Avoid soaking the PCB. Then test the rubber dome and stabilizer by pressing the exposed assembly. It should depress and spring back smoothly. If the dome is torn or flattened, plan to replace that part before reassembly. You now reassemble. Place the retainer clips and stabilizer bar exactly as photographed, making sure both sides align evenly. Misalignment causes wobble. Position the keycap and press down along its length until you hear secure clicks. Apply even pressure to avoid breaking clips. After reassembly, boot and test the space key in a text editor. If it still sticks or doesn't register, replace the rubber dome or retainer and clean the switch contacts with contact cleaner. That usually resolves remaining failures.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.